Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be just sort of winging it and filming an eye look here. I was inspired, oh my voice. I was inspired by ShanXO. She has a channel here on YouTube. It's ShanXO, but I was watching her video today and she had said something about, about requesting looks and stuff, and she mentioned something about a pink and yellow smoky eye, and something just clicked in my head and I was like, I want to try an eye look with a pink and yellow. I don't know exactly what kind of eye look I'm going to go for here, but we're just going to get started and see where it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so don't mind the eyebrows, they have to get done, but eyebrows aren't part of my video, it's the eye makeup, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And I already have my eyes primed with my Essence Eye Live Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. Here, it's the one that I always use. And so I'm gonna first start with my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick up this white shade right here, and I'm just going to be placing this right under my brow bone. Right, and using that same palette on my Morphe M518, I'm going to be picking up one more over, this shade right here, and I'm going to be applying this all over my crease and then blending it upwards towards my brow bone. Alright, and I think I'm going to go for something more like a bright pink and yellow, maybe like a cut crease type of thing. So on a Morphe M514, I'm going to be using the Zulu palette from Juvias, and I'm going to be picking up this pink shade right here, and I'm going to be putting this directly in my crease here. And I'm going from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner, and then I'm taking it out just a little bit. I'm going to blend out that edge there. Alright, and next, using my Wet n Wild concealer brush and my MAC Pro Longwear concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Next, on a Morphe M408, I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to pick up the yellow shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that on my entire eyelid there. Alright, and then with a Morphe M562 with no product on it, I'm just going to go ahead and softly blend out the harsh edge there. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back to go ahead and finish the eyes. Alright, and to go ahead and finish up the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to attempt a wing here using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. And then to go ahead and tightline, and for my waterline, I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Perversion. Back in my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be picking up the black shade here in this corner, And I'm going to go ahead and smudge out this eyeliner here. And I'm going to be keeping the black shade as close as I possibly can. Alright, and then to blend that out just a little bit, I'm going to be going back into the 35B palette, and I'm going to be picking up this shade right here. Okay, and then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be picking up this shade out of the 35B palette, which is just like a very yellow, and it's like a shimmer. Alright, and then for mascara, I'm going to be using Benefit's Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And this is only a sample size of it, but I have already went ahead and picked up another one here. I absolutely love this mascara. Now, I heard there's a lot of complaints that people say it's like really clumpy and stuff like that. I haven't had too many issues with it. I just work... I'm just be extra careful just to make sure that doesn't happen. If it does, I just sort of go in with a spoolie or something like that and spread them out. And I'm going to be putting this on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, and here's the completed look. So I hope you enjoyed this video and the eye look that I created today. I really like the way that it turned out. This is something I would definitely wear again. Yes, I do wear stuff like this to work all the time. My coworkers are quite used to it by now. But I really enjoyed this, and I just have to say again, I know I said this in my last video, I believe it will be the video before this one, but these Juvias Place palettes are absolutely amazing. I love these. I plan on definitely picking up more from their website, but they are just absolutely incredible, and they just blend out so beautifully. I definitely recommend these palettes. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. You can leave me a comment also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh my god, Tita Mita. You just had to add your commentary.